These guys were physically intimidating. Garner, 6'8".
And he was always coming either at your toes or up at your neck.
That is the enemy at the other end. Those fellas wearing pads and flat, those were the enemy. It's way intentionally make life for them very uncomfortable.
He was a freak. 6'8", lovely natured man off the field. Ball with this high action, probably at least 2 feet higher than most people get their arm up to deliver the ball. So we as batsmen get used to a certain level where bowlers deliver the ball. He got up high, very high. And yet very difficult to hit.
And that's it.
He had a fantastic Yorker. I think anybody who saw him bowl at tail enders, he cleaned them up as fast as they came in. He was just a wonderful bowler.
That's it. He's out. Call it second slip.
In a game, whatever pitch or whatever stadium you're playing on, but both ends are ideally the same. There's usually a breeze sometimes in some parts of the world. So there's one best end for the quick bowlers to bowl. And there's one end that's slightly uphill, slightly against the wind, and the quick bowlers don't want to bowl there. Now Joel could do that because he wasn't out and out fast, but he was sharp enough with the bounce and the accuracy that quick enough, and he could bowl that no problem. And he was just an unbelievably unusual bowler.
A tremendous Yorker there from Joel Garner, claiming it. Ball on his down again. Straight into the bed of Jazz.
Oh, it's up in the air. Could be out. Comes under it. He's caught it. Bowling. Beautiful Yorker by Joel Garner.
And out, first ball. Silver. Well, that's a tremendous delivery, well taken by Jeffrey Dujon. Must be out. Vivian Richards. Pretty good going. Oh, well caught.
Hold him. So Roger is out. Pakistan in further trouble now. 4-4-34 with Roger. That's a really good piece of bowling as well. 3 good Yorkers to Jeff Lawson.
Dyson ran straight into him. He's bowled him! What a beautiful delivery from Garner. Well, that'll teach him to run into him. He produced a magnificent Yorker, which bowled John Dyson, Nick and Croft.
Very tough for them. Chapel bowled by Joel Garner, having a wild swing.